Hey, Eagle family. We're getting excited for this fall semester. I know everything's weird since we're at home, but there's a couple new things we can do. My name is Matt Hartings, for those of you who don't know me. I am a professor in the Department of Chemistry, and one of the classes I teach is the chemistry of cooking. You can see in the background I've got some bread getting ready. Like I said, being at home kind of is no fun, but there are some fun things we can do in class while we're at home. And one of the things that I get to do while we're in class is I get to bake for my chemistry of cooking class. So I'm going to bake a little bread, and we'll come back in just a little bit to see how we did.
And we're back with some delicious bread. So we've got a really exciting semester coming ahead, and one of the things that I love about teaching this class is that I learn so much chemistry by playing around in the kitchen, by cooking, by reading cookbooks, from things like how molecular interactions lead to food texture to how our brain interprets pairing of different flavors. So lots of fascinating stuff that we learn by doing cooking. And one of the neat things about this semester is that people will be able to play along at home rather than just sitting in and watching me lecture in the classroom. So we get to have a lot of playtime too. So I'm really looking forward to this semester, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.